So they skin him while they're alive.
उबलते हुए पानी में डाल देते हैं.
Oh yeah, either really hot water or really cold water.
Which countries are the largest producer of fur, feather and leather? मिली, आप मेरी बहुत सारी बातें नहीं मानते. You think your generation is easier to bend? Are you serious? Do you know the brands, like common brands which people...
Zara, Burberry, Louis Vuitton, all your favorites.
लेकिन मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं लुई विटॉन का हैंडबैग लूंगी, वो ब्राउन कलर का जो सबके पास होता है.
No. Every year, over 1 billion animals are killed for their skin, which is converted into cruel leather. These animals include cows, pigs, and horses, etc., and are kept in deadly situations, muddy slaughterhouses, poop-filled stables, and are often crammed into cages. 2 horses, 1 small cage. These are the conditions that these animals are subjected to just to make you seem a bit more fashionable. Do you think that's worth it? Find out today with me, Jay the Wildlifer, and Shruti Sharma Productions, who are going to delve deeper and deeper into this ever-ending world in our podcast, What the Hell is Happening to Animals? This is episode 2, Clothing and How It Affects Animals.
I have so many questions. 1 billion animals?
That's life. Cows, pigs, horses.
उनका लेदर बनता है.
Yep, skin is converted into leather. Chemicals mix करते हैं, whatever they do in those factories.
So क्या है? What happens, like ऐसा होता है कि once the animal is dead, then the skin is taken, or they are killed because of the leather?
Most of them are like killed for their leather, and then like it's a big like all of this is mixed up. Cows are abused for their milk. And then they kill the cows. Inside के fats को they sell in the meat area, and the useless thick hard skin is softened using chemicals and made into leather. So one cow is multi-purpose, but it's killed for all these purposes. And somehow, ironically, even though the cow is sacred in India and it's illegal to kill a cow here, India is one of the largest exporters of leather, animal leather in the world.
Really?
And that means even if 99% are cows, goats and pigs, pigs, goats and horses, then that 1% has to be cow meat.
और ये leather आराम से सब जगह मिलता है?
I mean, not आराम से, because now many countries are going cruelty free. Like, you know, India is trying to go more and more cruelty free. Culture is still very untouched in India. Cultural animal, silkworms. Silk sarees. That's a very untouched area, but mostly India is going cruelty free, like slowly and steadily.
Okay, leather के अलावा there is also this fur, you know, the fur coats which people wear.
All that Lady Gaga type stuff.
Lady Gaga.
I mean, there are fur, which now many companies, because fur was much more discovered earlier than hide. Okay, the truths behind fur were discovered very early. Like much earlier than the truth about cow leather and all. So now many companies are turning to making their own leather, replicating the real leather. Real fur. Sorry guys. So real fur would be foxes, snow leopards. The more exotic, the more expensive. It's like when the shrimp in the 1940s, when the shrimp population took a severe down, shrimp cocktails became one of the most expensive things on the market. So the more exotic and rare, the more expensive your item will become. That's why black rhino horns are worth much more than white rhino horns.
Because they are less in the market.
White rhinos are vulnerable, black rhinos are critically endangered.
So that's why they're expensive.
Why do you think people would prefer to have a Bengal tiger skin in their house than an African lion skin?
Because it's rare.
Bengal tigers are rarer. But obviously that's illogical and dumb people who would want a Bengal tiger skin, because if you're found with that, you'll be arrested under the Indian laws for up to 4 years.
तो अब जैसे हम किसी के घर गए और हमने देखा वहाँ पे स्किन टंग रही है किसी एनिमल की, क्या हम उनकी शिकायत कर सकते हैं?
Oh yeah, you can just if they kept it illegal. If it's a tiger skin, for example, politely ask them if it's real. If they say proudly yes, it's real, and
Then
then
you make a call.
then you're like, well, you're off my contacts list. So yeah, make the call and watch how the drama unfolds. Who knows? Maybe you could get a small award for being a person who caught a notorious client.
Notorious client. लोग करते क्यों हैं बिल्ली? आपको कुछ समझ में आता है लोग क्यों ऐसा करते हैं?
I do understand it. Like
Yeah.
even though I don't respect it, I understand it.
क्या?
People because tigers.
That's a big line. I don't understand it, but
No.
I don't respect it, but I understand it. Yeah.
Because tigers are बहुत पहले से a symbol of killing, sleek, elegant, and so it's basically power. The word power. Then the people have ego. कि I want to be as powerful and majestic as the tiger. So they kill the tiger to show that they are the baap of the tiger.
Oh. It's all psychological, huh?
It's a lot of psychology, ego, money, anger, and murder. It's like all these things that we wish to not have, but eventually we succumb to it.
अच्छा तो एक तो लेदर है, एक फर है और एक ऑल्सो सिल्क वॉर्म्स, सिल्क है.
Oh, that's the most depressing topic in a long time.
हाँ.
Well, all of these topics are depressing.
हाँ.
Silkworms have the saddest story in their life.
Really?
Silkworms
हाँ.
are bred captivity में. Then eventually they feed them lots of leaves like mopane leaves.
मोपेन लीव्स मतलब?
They're just leaves. a
अच्छा
type of
leaves. हाँ.
And then the thingy goes big and fat, and just like a normal caterpillar, it turns itself into a cocoon, waiting to turn into a mother or father butterfly, a mother or father insect. And when they're in the cocoon, the people pluck it from the tree and drop it in boiling water.
Oh.
They burn the thingy to death, the small forming adult.
उबलते हुए पानी में डाल देते हैं?
Oh yeah, either really hot water or really cold water. Eventually that usually is hot water. It's never cold water, it's boiling hot. So they do it, and then because silk has a few pores in it, the hot water floods inside the cocoon, kills the animal, and the animal is holding everything together. The animal loosens its grip after dying, and the silk unravels. And then they take it out of the water, and then they weave it, they dry it, and then they weave it into saris.
तो जो हम सिल्क साड़ीज पहनते हैं
They're all murdered. Unless it's vegan silk. Vegan silk is,
मेड ऑफ बनाना लीव्स.
yeah,
दैट्स व्हाट आई हर्ड.
that's what you heard. But real silk is basically murdered silk. I call it blood silk.
पता है इंडिया में हमारे यहाँ शादियों में सब
I
जगह
know,
सिल्क
I
इज अ
know.
वेरी बिग
Silk
थिंग.
is the once I got
इट्स
a
अ स्टेटस सिंबल, यू नो,
Yeah,
टू वियर
silk.
सिल्क.
That's why I prefer cotton, even though I don't wear saris.
आप कॉटन की साड़ी पहन के जाओगे शादी में?
Yeah. कोई नहीं माँ, स्टेटस ही तो गिरा है.
नहीं, स्टेटस तो क्या ही गिरेगा, मतलब कि पर
And insect
सिल्क कितना
bit.
बनता है इंडिया में, पता है? स्पेशली साड़ीज बनती हैं, सिल्कन साड़ीज.
I know माँ, I know.
तो अभी कैसे करें, मतलब ना खरीदें?
Yeah, boycott it.
सो नेक्स्ट टाइम यू सी मी इन अ कॉटन साड़ी.
No, कि her son forced her into this.
No, it's not like force, but it's really tragic, यार, कि animals are being killed like this.
Every animal has a purpose in the human world. Beetles को चटनी बनाते हैं in some tribal areas. Every animal has a
Yeah.
purpose.
Which countries are the largest producer of fur, feather, and leather?
So the biggest exporter of fur is China. So the animals are sent to China. China murders them, skins them. The countries pay them, the China, and then China gives back the fur.
Oh, मतलब पहले जानवर चाइना के पास आते हैं?
हाँ, basically they come. The snow leopard, let's for example, snow leopard.
India से
sent
जाएगा?
to China.
हाँ.
China murders them.
हाँ.
Let's say अगर 2 coats बन रही है snow leopard से, so China will keep one and send one to India in exchange for a hefty price.
So the biggest exporter of fur is China.
Yeah. Then feathers is also China.
But so this is a new thing for me.
What?
The new
What's
thing
new?
is, I'm telling you, मुझे नहीं पता था कि animals भी export होते हैं मरने के लिए.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
thought कि China is the biggest exporter of fur. तो चाइना में जो एनिमल्स हैं उनका फर
China doesn't have snow leopards. They killed them all.
for fur.
Yeah, for meat, soup, whatever. Feathers is also China. Again, China kills their own birds and then sends the feathers to the world in exchange for a hefty price.
बाबा जी, my god.
Then leather is India. Leather is India. Ironically, horse and pig leather.
हाँ.
So since Indians don't eat pigs, Indians eat pigs, but they also skin it. And cow, even though it's illegal to eat it, again undercover OPs. And then horses, though nobody has a law against murdering horses, so everyone kills horses. And that was your favorite animal.
That is my favorite animal.
Yeah. And you know, Thailand and India are the biggest makers of king cobra leather.
What?
And king cobra is supposed to be a god's pet, Shivaji's pet.
हमारे यहाँ पूजा होती है किंग कोबरा की.
Yep. Thailand is the biggest exporter.
लेदर किंग कोबरा मतलब उनकी स्किन ले ली.
They kill the cobra by slicing off the head so that it can't bite them. Then they skin it. But reptile leather rots quickly.
Reptiles leather lots. Okay.
If it's dead, then it's very quickly turns hard. So they skin him while they're alive. So one of them will hold the snake's head, and then they'll skin it, and then the snake will die in the process, and then they'll carefully release it, and there you go. You have snake leather and a dead snake.
My god. Do you know the brands, like common brands which people...
Zara, Burberry, Louis Vuitton, all your favorites.
By Zara is definitely...
Yeah, yesterday we were going to the mall to buy these Nerf guns, and Mama was like, please let me buy Zara, and I was like, no.
And then I didn't buy.
Yeah, she didn't buy. I forced her not to go there.
I mean, Zara is like my to-go place because वहाँ पे
Exactly,
ठीक-ठाक
cheap and all that. Cheap, ठीक-ठाक, good quality.
Cheap तो नहीं
Can you
है.
pass me my bullet? No.
Hey, Zara
are you
is not
serious?
cheap, huh?
Yeah, whatever.
But it is अपने पसंद के
More
कपड़े मिल
affordable compared to Louis Vuitton.
जाते हैं. Yes, definitely.
Anyways, let's not stray off topic. Any
So,
more
now
questions?
Zara is gone from my life.
Yes.
And Louis Vuitton also.
You never had Louis Vuitton.
लेकिन मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं लुई विटॉन का हैंडबैग लूंगी, वो ब्राउन कलर का जो सबके पास होता है.
No. Invest it.
मिली, आप मेरी बहुत सारी बातें नहीं मानते.
Yeah, but that's like AirPods not in the house and guns किसी के मुंह पे नहीं मारनी.
हाँ.
This is we're talking about an animal's life in your hands. Do you want leather to be made from an adorable little squonk? No, right? So that cow must have had an adorable little squonk.
मुझे लगता है कि इंडिया में लोगों को ज़ारा जैसे कपड़े बनाने पड़ेंगे कुछ ब्रांड्स को.
Yeah, many local. The more local it is, I've seen, the more local the brand is, the more vegan and cruelty free it is. The bigger the brand, the more likely the chances of it becoming.
Because
Arata, nobody knows about it. It's cruelty free and vegan. Louis Vuitton, everybody knows about it. It's not vegan. It's not cruelty free. They have alligator wallets, for Christ's sake.
What? Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, they have. I don't know if it's Louis Vuitton, but multiple fashion brands, like big fashion brands,
हाँ.
they have wallets made from alligator leather and crocodile leather, snake leather. King
और ऐसे बेच रहे हैं खुले में, उन्हें कोई रोकता नहीं है.
They sell it openly, but the only problem is that they do it on species that aren't that endangered. Like, they do it on a species that's vulnerable on the ICU and red list, but they probably wouldn't do it on an endangered or a critically endangered, because then they would be guilty according to the Indian penal sections. I don't remember them. 400 something and 400 something.
What about those brands जो कहते हैं कि हम cruelty free हैं लेकिन उनका parent brand cruelty free नहीं होता है?
I think those are disgusting brands. I think that those brands don't deserve to call themselves cruelty free if the maker is not. For example, Urban Decay calls itself cruelty free and all, but its parent is L'Oreal, which is one of the biggest cruel brands in the world.
हाँ.
So I think it's disgusting to call it that when its maker, the person who made the walls, was a murderer themselves.
It's kind of dodging the people. It's kind of like, it's kind of.
I think it's filthy.
Okay. It is filthy. So tell me about this thing. Many people use skin of the animals for their cultural or tradition reasons, right?
Yeah.
अभी उसको कैसे रोकोगे? उसको मतलब
You can educate them. Tell them ki would their god and goddesses actually like murdering their creations. Introduce them to new things. Many of these cultural people live in the cities, but lots of them also live in rural areas. Show them a new way. Show them, "Aw, you wanna take a nap? Okay, night, night." Anyways,
हाँ हाँ
but if you educate them, show them a new way. If you show them a new way of life,
but they will be like कि यार ये तो हम बहुत सालों से कर रहे हैं.
they will say that, but it's just education. The newer generation is easier to bend. If you convince the newer generation, slowly you'll convince the older generation.
You think newer generation is easier to bend? Are you serious?
But like if you show them that kindness and compassion is much more important than culture, then perhaps maybe they'll want to see a new way.
So you're saying the new generation is more kind than the older
But the older generation is more set in their ways. The more they learn, the more they justify it. The newer generation, if you show a kid what happens inside a slaughterhouse, they're more likely to turn vegetarian.
If you show me also,
If you show an adult who's a hardcore meat eater what happens in a slaughterhouse, he may become a little less emotionally attached to that animal.
when you buy clothes for yourself or when I buy clothes for you, what is your thinking? Do you think about तुम सोचते हो कि कहाँ से आया होगा कपड़ा?
I mean, sometimes I think about it. Most of the times you buy them for me.
हाँ.
So I just think I just do my little bit of research and then I wear my clothes. All of this is H&M.
So H&M is cruelty free?
Pretty much, yeah.
I mean organic cotton?
Yeah, exactly.
No, exactly तो ठीक है.
And ऊपर से I don't buy things like leather and you know things that could potentially be.
You will never buy leather in your life?
Unless like I won't buy animal leather. I'll buy vegan mushroom leather and all that. But not animal leather.
Like what would you do? What would you do to find out? तुम कैसे पता करोगे कि ये animal leather है कि नहीं है?
Basically, I just ask the storekeepers, even though their word can't be the most advisable. But I'll just do my research. Maybe I'll go to brands that do fully vegan and cruelty free and do my business there. But yeah, pretty much these are my methods.
तो आपने अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में कौन-कौन सी चीज़ों पे चेंजेस लाने की कोशिश करी है? Like which brands you are like very specific that you're not going to buy and why?
Adidas. Their soccer shoes have kangaroo leather. Which means because kangaroo का जो leather है, it's very springy and light and it's very good at holding shoe together. So Adidas has kangaroo leather in their soccer cleats.
That's why you stopped wearing Adidas.
Yes. But Nike and Puma also used to have that, but after lots of mass protests or near their showrooms, they've decided to switch to vegan options.
In the shoes, Nike, Puma and Adidas, they were using kangaroo leather in their shoes, but Adidas is still
It's still going. It's for now still going strong.
हाँ. Do you think कि स्कूल में इन चीज़ों को लेके और conversations होने चाहिए?
Of course.
First of all, do you miss these kind of conversations school?
Somehow, I do kind of. Like, I wouldn't mind अगर ये conversation school में हो. I think it would be a good idea if you put it in schools. I think I'd like that.
हाँ.
Like, I'm happy the way it is, but I wouldn't mind अगर थोड़े और animal pointers आ जाए book में.
I know.
But that's just a personal preference. I'm not speaking on behalf of all kids.
I want to come to some lighter questions. It's just too much for my this thing.
I can imagine.
Yeah. Which animal do you think is the most fashionable?
Ooh, I must say jaguar. They have their rosettes and they even have a spot in the rosettes. Those are like crazy cool.
Jaguars, huh?
Oh yeah. Many people would say tigers and all, but I want to be different. And I also think that jaguars in their sleek coats, especially when they come out of the rivers and ponds,
Ooh, and the water
and they
is
have blood
dripping.
on their face from killing a crocodile.
Yeah.
Then they look like monstrous models. They're like supermodels.
If you create a material, you know, जो material हम सब पहन सकें, and then we don't have to kill animals.
So I want you guys to answer this in the comments as well. But for me, it has to be the oceans the plastic that we throw in the oceans. I wish we could scoop it up, completely clean it, and crunch it into a manner. Put all those chemicals in it that are good for your skin and never been tested on animals. Moisten them and turn them into a glamorous dress.
Ooh. Do you think हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं दुनिया के बारे में और ट्रैपिंग्स में चले जाते हैं जो हम ग्रोन अप्स होते हैं और हम मतलब अगर हम प्लास्टिक से बनी चीज़ पहनेंगे तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? What do you think about that?
Probably just कि वो I don't know. I don't see the problem in it. I think if I had to, I'd go to a party wearing recycled plastic clothes that are not ugly though, like good looking, but I wouldn't mind wearing clothes from recycled plastic.
Yeah.
Just clean them well and then
Make them well.
if someone else, like a guest, comes to your home and drinks from your glass,
हाँ.
you don't throw that glass away na, because unka
झूठा है.
jhoota hai. You just wash it and drink from it.
हाँ.
वैसे ही तो, like if someone का used है कपड़ा, I'm not saying wear underpant clothes. I'm just saying maybe किसी की पानी की bottle है, chop off the jhoota part, clean it well, turn it into a cloth or something.
Oh, that's such a good example. If you could design a shoe inspired by an animal, which animal would it be?
That's a good question. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish? Jellyfish?
Yes. Imagine having shoes that wobble a little, but they're sturdy, but they wobble. The tentacles could become the shoelaces.
Oh.
And maybe if it was so advanced, if another person tried to steal them shoes, then the tentacles would sting.
Ah.
But other than that, like when sunlight hits a jellyfish, then jellyfish का color थोड़ा बदल जाता है. It doesn't change like from the jellyfish inside, like enzymes, because they don't have that. But just physics, it changes color. Like it changes the reflection of the jellyfish. So imagine if sunlight hits on it, then the shoe turns a yellowish in color.
जय ने खुद ही इसको सीरीज बना दिया है और हमारा दूसरा
What the
एपिसोड
hell is happening to animals?
What the hell is happening to animals?
I've even made a
I
name.
love the name.
WTH
Hmm.
IHTA.
WT.
It's very long. Maybe we'll have to turn it into an acronym or something.
हाँ. But I love the name. That's a very good name. What the hell?
What the hell is happening
To animals and self-appointed guests.
Exactly. So anyways, guys, this is your homie Jay Sharma, Jay the Wildlifer. Make sure to drop a follow. Signing out. Peace.
And before you buy your clothes, please, all of us,
Check.
please, we need to check. Thank you so much for watching, and
This
we'll
is
see
Jay
you
Sharma
again soon.
heading to his bed. Signing out.
Thank you. Bye bye.
I'm so old.
Kindly like and subscribe Billy Productions, and don't forget to comment. Your feedback is very important to us. Thank you.